Hey guys, today we're gonna review RizzGpt. RizzGpt utilizes AI technology to generate witty and contextually relevant responses, assisting users in initiating and maintaining conversations on dating platforms. The term Rizz is a slang for charisma, and the app aims to imbue users' messages with this quality. So let's talk about the strengths. They have personalized messaging, right? RizzGpt analyzes match profiles to tailor unique attention-grabbing introductions, helping users start conversations effectively. And its user-friendly interface. The app offers an intuitive design, making it accessible for users to navigate and utilize its features efficiently. And by providing suggestions for keeping chats lively, RizzGpt assists in maintaining engaging dialogues, reducing awkward silences. So, few things to consider, right? You need to just verify or double check the authenticity concerns. Some users and critics argue that relying on AI generated messages may lead to inauthentic interactions, potentially undermining genuine connections. And the subscription model. While RizzGpt offers free trial, full access requires a paid subscription, which may not be ideal for casual users. And the AI limitations. The AI may occasionally produce responses that miss nuanced cues or cultural references, leading to messages that feel out of place. So, users have reported that RizzGPT's suggestions often lead to more lively and extended conversations. However, some have noted that the AI can sometimes generate generic responses, and there is a learning curve in integrating the tool seamlessly into conversations. So, final thoughts. RizzGpt serves as a tool to enhance online dating conversations by providing AI-generated suggestions. While it offers benefits in crafting messages and maintaining dialogue, users should be mindful of the importance of authenticity in building genuine connections. As with any tool, its effectiveness depends on how it's used in conjunction with personal engagement and sincerity. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.